And I don't think there were any other water leaks, it was just those two. Now what I'm going to do with this oil-based brush is just going to drop it in the water there, stick the lid on this, but this is a quick dry, so we really don't want this to skin up. I haven't really seen it skin up, so that's good. Checking, make sure that the ring is completely around it. Quick dry oil based undercoat. That's what I'm going to use on here, and hopefully if the water leak is fixed we won't have any trouble with it anymore, but if it's not fixed it'll keep coming out and there's nothing I can do about it. But the thing is, I've done the best I can do right now, right this moment. Oil-based undercoated, and then we'll probably have to put 2 coats of top coat over the top of that. Change hands, so there it is there. And we'll put this on here and we'll give it a check back later. So we're just about ready to do some cutting in. So we'll just open these drums up. Now these are 2 Irish cream in low sheen. Now before we do anything with it really, we need to box them together, just because if we start cutting in and rolling with that halfway through the house and we use this drum and the different colours, we're screwed, especially if you have to cut in again. Normally I throw a little bit of water in here, probably 10%, because I know this is a little bit gluggy by itself. And that's about all we have to really do, just to ensure that our colour is going to be the same. Just box them 2 together like that, and then when we get down lower in paint we'll box them together again. Try and empty my skin off my pots before I start using them, because if you don't you could get some foreign particles in there. I'm hoping there's no skin in those drums. If there is, we'll have to strain them all. I'm only new to Taubman's. I know the last house I did, there was a lot of skin, but it could have been my problem, my fault, because I think it was coming from the edges of the other drum I had open for a little while, for a day or so. And when it dries on the edges, well then that flakes in and goes in. Alright, so I'll just grab a brush. So this is how I store my brushes. We've had a lot of rain, so they won't be looking pretty, look at that. But that's how I store my brushes. They look like shit, don't they? But trust me, they'll be fine. If you overfill them, you'll get water up in the bristle. So we just need to get rid of that water first. And I just do that by grabbing one of my blades, poking it up here, and give it a little, just open it up a bit. And then I just do a tap. And you'll hear it all coming out, because you don't want that running down your arm. it's time to do this touch up here with the ceiling flat. So we've just got a lid, ceiling flat. And what we're going to do, we're going to give it some stipple. Water stain we're covering. So I think you can actually see it quite well with the reflection. So rather than pull a roller out, I'm just going to use a brush. We're just going to give it this bit of a stipple, which will sort of simulate a roller sleeve. Right, so we'll leave that there. That one's done. I'm just finishing for the day. Let's do this before I leave. I need 2 coats on this actually. So flat's always hard to cover when you're brushing. Always. It's never a simple thing. Cover nicely. This one will be a lot better than the water stain that was here. Okay, I'll give you a quick walk through the finished product. Looking pretty good, I think. It's the main bedroom, ensuite, walk-in robe. Dining area. Pantry. Got the old touch-up paints there. Yes, well this one took me around the 9 days, something like that, 8 days, 9 days by myself. That's all the light fittings cleaned and stuff like that. The handrail there, I'm not sure what they want to do with that. I didn't take it off. Another bloke took it off. If I took it off, I would have put it back on, but I didn't take it off. So that's a bit of a thing for you. If you take them off, put them back on. If you don't take them off, you don't put them back on. You don't have to. He's got the right tools for it. And that's it. That's there. And I put all new hinges on as well. Now the other hinges weren't that bad, but they were bad enough for me to dump them. But yeah, well it's finished. We'll just close this up now. Just got to lock the truck up. Yes. Okay, thanks for tuning in. And we shall catch you on the next video. So, thanks for tuning in. Have we got these lights working yet? Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.